Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing tutorial on Lightroom. If you are just coming for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping amazing content on this channel. Stay tuned. In this video, I'll be showing you how I change this picture from this to this in Lightroom, giving it a cinematic view, as you can see. So first of all, I'll be showing you the settings I used. If you go to your edits, in my lights, this is what I use. This is the exposure, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows. So what I did, I increased the exposure a little bit, increased the contrast, the whites, the black, as you can see in the settings. So I will not be doing this tutorial from scratch because of some reasons. So I'll just be showing the settings and you copy the settings. I did some things in the curve too. Yeah, this is the red and this is the green. Yeah, and this is the blue. I also touched the white, reduced the shadow, reduced the highlight a little. Then I went to the color. I increased the temperature. I wanted to give it if I decrease the temperature, this is what it will look like. You understand? So I increased the temperature to around this. I want to give it a sunset view. Yeah, even the tints, I increased the tints, the vibrance, and I left the saturation. I did not touch the saturation. So I went to my mix channel. I did not do much on the red, even on the orange. I reduced the luminance. The same thing. I did not do much on the color mix. I didn't do much on the color mix apart from the dark blue because I wanted to give watch. As you can see, if I reduce the luminance on the dark blue, it's going to be like this. So I increased it. I wanted to increase the blue on the cars, as you can see. Then also the saturation. Then I did the same thing for the purple. Watch if I reduce it. So I increased the luminance, the saturation, I left the hue. So that's the only changes I did in the color mix. The light purple, the dark blue, then partially the red and the orange. So the next thing I did, I went to my mask. This was where I did the major work. I went to my mask. The first thing I touched in my mask was the light. As you can see, before and after, if you see before, the light was not actually coming out very well. So this is what I did. I used this. Let me show you what I used. I used this radial gradient. Then this is the settings. I just duplicated it, but all of them have the same settings. This is the setting for the radial gradient. I went to the lights. I increased the exposure, the contrast, increased the white and the black. Then I guess that is all I did, and I reduced the dehaze. I wanted the light to pop because I was changing the color to a darker color, so I wanted the light to pop out. Then the second thing I did, as you can see, let me hide this. Okay, since I was changing the color of the sunsets, as you can see from here, so I wanted the sun to actually hit this side of the car. You understand? So let me open it again, show you. I added another radial gradient there. Then what I did, I went to the lights. I increased see if I reduce it, you see. So I just increased the exposure. Then I went to my color. I increased the temperature. If I reduce it, it will give me a little bit of cool listen. So I wanted it to be warm because, as you can see, it's sunset. So I wanted it to be warm. I increased the tint, increased the saturation. That's what I did there. So the next thing I did, let me hide this. The car was okay, but I wanted the blue to also hit on the car. So what I did was that I used the radial gradient. As you can see, I used the radial gradient on the bonnet of the car. As you can see, this is before, this is after. The next thing I did was I wanted to change the color of the lights, not the lights actually, the rims of the lights. I wanted to change the color. Let me show you. Let me hide it. As you can see, I wanted to change the colors because I don't like the way I wanted to give it a kind of greenish lights there. So I added same radial gradient. Most of the thing I added in this car was radial gradient. I wanted to change the color of this. So this is me hiding it. Let me open it again so you see what I did there. Sure. So this is it, as you can see. Okay, then the last thing I did, this was not that obvious. I just wanted to change the shadow striking below the car. That was all. That was everything. I can see this is before without the settings, and you can see this is after. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more in-depth tutorial, I can do another car from scratch. If you want more in-depth tutorial, just write it in the comment section. I'll be explaining how I did everything from scratch. And if you want me to just create instead of me showing you the settings, tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like and share the video if you really enjoyed the video. Thank you.